Hello everyone. Why salute a space where we address health, wellness and sexuality topics with the respect and depth they deserve today. I bring you a fascinating topic backed by medical and psychological research that may be of great interest to gentlemen who have reached 50 years or more. Folic acid and its benefits for male health, especially regarding sexuality and overall well-being. Get comfortable. Join me with a cup of tea or coffee because this topic has more depth than it might seem. At first glance, we will explore why folic acid, a vitamin often associated more with pregnancy and female health, can also be a surprising ally in improving male vitality, including sexual function. Let's start with the basics. What is folic acid? It is a vitamin also known as B9, which plays an essential role in the production and repair of DNA, as well as in the formation of new cells. It is a water-soluble vitamin, meaning it is not stored in the body and must be consumed regularly through diet or supplements. Its presence in the body is linked to numerous health benefits, but today we will focus on its effects on male sexuality. It is important to note that although it may seem like a minor detail, maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin can profoundly impact the quality of life for men, especially as they enter more advanced stages of life. It is well known that sexual health does not depend solely on isolated organs or systems. It is a reflection of the balance between mind, body, and emotions. This is where folic acid comes into play. Various studies have shown that this vitamin can significantly improve sperm quality, promoting the production of healthy sperm and increasing fertility in men. But the benefits do not stop there. In addition to promoting fertility, folic acid contributes to cardiovascular health, which is fundamental for good sexual function. Good blood circulation ensures that the body can respond adequately during intimate moments, and this vitamin plays a key role in keeping arteries flexible and healthy. For gentlemen looking to maintain their vitality and enjoyment and intimacy, folic acid can be a valuable tool. One of its key functions is to reduce homocysteine levels, a compound in the blood, that when elevated can contribute to artery hardening and negatively affect blood flow. Adequate blood flow is essential for male sexual response, ensuring healthy irrigation to key areas of the body. This benefit not only improves the quality of intimate experiences, but also protects the heart and vascular system from diseases that become more common with age. Additionally, this vitamin can help combat oxidative stress, a condition that damages cells and contributes to premature aging. Folic acid acts as a powerful antioxidant protecting the body cells, including those that form muscle tissue and blood vessels, essential for good performance in intimacy. The antioxidant action of folic acid can also improve energy levels and reduce inflammation aspects that contribute to a better quality of life and the prevention of problems associated with aging. Now, what is the best way to consume folic acid to obtain these benefits? The recommended daily amount for adult men is approximately 400 microGR. Although some specialists suggest that in specific cases, such as improving fertility or cardiovascular health, a slightly higher amount could be considered under medical supervision. This vitamin can be found in foods such as dark leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, fortified cereals, and nuts. However, to ensure constant and adequate consumption, supplements are also an excellent option, always under the recommendation of a healthcare professional. It is important to note that while a balanced diet may be sufficient for many people, supplements can be especially useful for those who have difficulty absorbing nutrients due to medical conditions or the use of certain medications. And here comes an important point. Can we enhance the effects of folic acid with other nutrients? The answer is yes, to maximize its benefits. It is ideal to combine it with vitamin B12, as both work in synergy to keep red blood cells and the nervous system healthy. It is also recommended to have an adequate intake of vitamin C, which improves the absorption of folic acid and also contributes to vascular health. This combination not only strengthens the immune system, but also ensures that the body can make the most of each nutrient consumed. On the other hand, we cannot overlook the role of zinc and magnesium. These minerals are fundamental for the production of testosterone, the hormone that regulates many functions related to energy and male sexuality. Incorporating a diet rich in foods such as seafood seeds, almonds and spinach can complement the benefits of folic acid, improving both health and enjoyment in intimacy. Testosterone, in addition to being key to sexual desire, also influences mood, bone density, and muscle mass, fundamental aspects of staying active and healthy at any age. Throughout my career as a sexologist and doctor, I have had the privilege of working with many people seeking to optimize their quality of life as they age, and if there is one thing I have learned, it is that it is never too late to take care of our health and explore new ways to improve our well-being. Incorporating folic acid and other essential nutrients can make a difference not only in physical health, but also in emotional balance and self-confidence. Fundamental aspects of fully enjoying life as a couple. It is important to recognize that sexuality is not a luxury or something superficial. It is an integral part of our identity and well-being, and deserves to be cared for with the same attention as other aspects of health. Before we reach the end, I want to deeply emphasize a critical truth. Your body is not just unique. It is a vast, intricate ecosystem shaped by a multitude of factors that influence how it responds to the world around it. The impact of nutrient supplements and even lifestyle changes isn't universal. It's a highly personalized experience, influenced by your genetic makeup, your history of health challenges, your environment, and even the emotional state you carry day by day. What nourishes one person's body and mind may not resonate with another in the same way. And sometimes it's not just a matter of what's good for you, it's about what's right for you. This is precisely why the need for professional guidance cannot be overstated. Consulting a health care provider, whether a doctor, nutritionist, or holistic practitioner, is essential not just to avoid missteps, but to help you uncover the deeper layers of your health. They have the expertise to guide you through the maze of advice, helping you understand how your body functions at its core and why certain nutrients or practices may be more beneficial or even counterproductive for you in this age of information overload. It's easy to believe that a generalized answer, a quick fix, or a trending supplement will work for everyone. But the truth is much more nuanced. The goal of this content has always been to provide you with knowledge, but more importantly, to inspire a sense of empowerment. You are not merely a passive recipient of health advice. You are the steward of your own well-being. This journey toward understanding your body and its needs requires you to be patient, compassionate with yourself, and open to learning in collaboration with professionals. It's about making choices that honor the complex ties of your individual health, so you can thrive in ways that are not just informed, but deeply aligned with your own life's rhythms and needs. Taking control of your health means committing to a lifelong partnership with your body. It's about embracing the wisdom that comes from careful observation, expert guidance, and the understanding that your health is not a static destination. It's an ongoing, evolving process, and in that journey there is power as we reach the end of our exploration into the remarkable benefits of folic acid and its profound effects on male health. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks for joining me on this enriching journey at Saya Ves, Sexualidad y Salude. We are committed to providing you with thoughtful, respectful, and scientifically backed insights, always with your well-being in mind. If this topic sparked your interest, or if you have any questions or personal experiences to share, I wholeheartedly encourage you to drop a comment below. Your input is invaluable to us, and engaging in this dialogue enriches our collective understanding. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the wealth of content we have lined up for you in the future. Remember, No matter where you are in life, it is never too late to prioritize your health. Embrace new knowledge and live fully. Taking care of yourself is not just about maintaining your body, but about nurturing your mind, emotions, and spirit. We look forward to continuing this journey together. See you in our next video. Take care and never forget, it's never too late to start living a fuller, healthier life.